What's up, Mr. Jones? James and I coming back at you with the chemistry of baking a pancake. We all love pancakes, so let's jump right into it. Ingredients. So first we start off with 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we get into 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, also known in the chemistry lab NaHCO3. Then a tablespoon of white sugar, bad for you, but also in the chemistry lab known as C12H22O11. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or just a pinch of salt, NaCl, as we all know in chemistry lab. Then 3 tablespoons of butter, really bad for your heart, but it tastes really good. And 1 large egg from a fresh chicken. And then also a cup of 1/4 cups of milk.
Are you serious now?
Well, Mr. Jones, we went to start making the pancakes, and Smith's house did not have any milk. So first step complete.
Mr. Jones, we got the milk. We're on the way home. Gotta sanitize first before we start. Here we go.
Can you teach us how to wash your hands, James?
All right, here. Gonna get some nice method soap. Okay. Rub it in nice and raw. Now you're gonna sing happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Jones. Happy birthday to you. And we're done.
Step 2 complete.
All right, we're getting started here. Gonna start off with the flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/2.
All right. Step 5, Mr. Jones. We need sugar. The best part. Here we go. Mesmerizing.
All right, step number 6. Get that saltiness in there.
Step number 7, Mr. Jones. We're on to the milk. Let's not try to spill. Numero uno. Whoops. Numero dos. Numero tres. Numero quattro and a half. Never mind. My co-host is telling me we need more. Half more. Mucho bueno.
The aftermath of the milk disaster. Here we are with the healthiest part, the butter.
Back at it, Mr. Jones, with step number 8, with a good old-fashioned little egg. Thank you, chicken. Here we go. This batter is looking excellent. Good one.
Got the baking powder here. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, and a half.
Yep. Just like Aunt Jemima would do it. Alright, Mr. Jones, I forgot where step we're on. Step 10 or something. For the best part, gotta add the chocolate chips. Measure with your heart. I think that's about right.
All right, we're all stirred up here. Let's give it a taste test. Mmm. Here we go, Mr. Jones. Time for some Mrs. Butterworths.
Alright, Mr. Jones, we have completed our batter. Now it's time to cook it, obviously, with enjoying chemistry. As you see, I got my apron on. Smith, that's me. There we go. Nice little dosage. Of the pancake batter. We're gonna make a few. We like small pancakes around here.
Listen to that sizzle.
Yes. And as you'll see, you'll see the pancake begin to rise from the baking powder, and we'll talk about that during our slides.
All right, Mr. Jones. Now, as we see these bubbles coming through, that's the CO2 being released through the baking soda we showed you earlier. That means it's time to flip. Wow!
Perfect golden brown.
We're on the way.
DoorDash on the way. Woo! Mr. Jones, we're waiting at the light. Oh, it just turned green, but we're desperately trying to keep it warm with the heat on high, baby. Here we go. We're at the Simpsons residence, home of the infamous David and Grant. Here we go. Scrumptious.
All right, hey, Mr. Jones, we're here at the Simpson residence with the infamous David Simpson. They're gonna give him a taste test.
What did you do to me? I don't trust you.
Boom or doom? Boom! Now we're gonna head over to David.
Oh, I'm not trying them.
Oh, David.
Come on,
I'm sorry,
David.
James, I don't trust you.
Come on,
man.
David.
I don't trust
We
you.
made them, both of us.
We're not even that bad.
For Mr. Jones.
I wouldn't trust it though.
Only for Mr. Jones. I'm like a little bit.
Now, a boom or a doom?
I'll go boom.
Yeah.
There Let's go.
I'll do more, bro. You can have them. I can't taste it though because I'm sick.
What is
I
this
don't know if it's
for?
good or not.
There's the infamous Grant System. Said he didn't like the pancakes after we left off camera, but he's clearly eating them. He obviously likes them.
Mr. Jones, it's me again. Now we're going to talk about how these ingredients work together to make us a nice little pancake. Alright, first, the flour. It's one of the most important things we have. When it comes into contact with a solute, in this case, it would be milk, the mixture starts to get elasticity and it starts to stretch out. This lets us have these bubbles in these pockets where gas can fill up, and when we have heat coming endothermically, it makes the gas start to rise and give us that fluffiness we're looking for. Now, the next most important ingredient is baking powder. Baking powder goes through a decomposition reaction, and it starts off as sodium bicarbonate, one of the most heavy ingredients in there. There's a lot of it. Its formula is NaHCO3. When it comes in contact with a solute, in this case it will be milk, it breaks down into two things. It will be dissolved into carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. Then the carbonic acid continues to break down into H2O, water, and CO2, carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas is that gas we're looking for. It's going to fill up those bubbles in the batter, and when that endothermic heat comes in, it's going to rise and give us a nice fluffy pancake.
What's up, Mr. Jones? I hope you enjoyed my co-host, James Vincent. Not as good as me, but he'll do. So, we're going to talk about the equations that happen when you bake a pancake. So first, you have the decomposition reaction of sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3 yields to get H2CO3 plus NaOH. And the reactant in this is sodium bicarbonate, the NaHCO3, and then the product is carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. And this is one of the components of making a pancake. So the next is also a decomposition reaction of carbonic acid, which is H2CO3 yields H2O plus CO2. So the CO2 is the air bubbles that you're going to see in the pancake. And the reactants are carbonic acid, and the products are water and carbon dioxide. And then that is me, unfortunately.